Catch your breath. Feel the pulse. This is the rhythm of life. Physical well-being is more than just gym sessions. It's a blend of energizing fitness workshops, adventures steeped in nature, and restorative wellness retreats. Welcome to Paradigm Left. We stand for the importance of a lively, active lifestyle. It's not about being the best, it's about outdoing who you were yesterday. Picture starting each day with determination, a love for life, and a spring in your step. That's the impact of prioritizing physical health. It's not a task, but a choice. A choice that infuses each day with joy and zeal. Are you prepared to seize the rhythm of life? Paradigm Left is here to navigate you on your path to physical wellness. Remember, the hardest part is always the first step, but once you embark, the journey itself becomes the reward. Join the movement. Prioritize physical well-being. Let the rhythm of life guide you. This is Paradigm Left.